Good morning.
Yeah, ma'am.
So, to apply for the assessment of medical record and
May I see po your requirements and documents? Thank you, Miss Marilyn. Let's check. Let me see. Alright, also based on your self-assessment po, I think you are now ready for the competency assessment. So, here your application form po. So, please fill it out completely. Kindly submit 3 passport size pictures with white backgrounds and color po. So, thank you, Ms. Maren. You may now proceed for the question for your assessment. Thank you.
Good morning po. Good morning po, sir. We are here po for the admission slip because we are applying for the assessment of medical necessity.
Here is your admission slip for assessment. Please keep in during orientation tomorrow. Your second slip for the assessment. Please keep it and present it during the orientation tomorrow. Before 6 a.m. and wear your proper uniform. Thank you and good luck.
Okay po, thank you po.
Hello, good morning. This is CJ from the Assessment Center. We already have applicants for Beautical Medical NC2. So we would like to confirm that the schedule for the competency assessment.
Will the assessment be conducted?
We are planning to conduct it on May 11 at 9 p.m. in the morning.
Noted. I will inform the extrajudicial office regarding the schedule.
Thank you very much po. Good morning everyone. So I am CJ Ramos, your accredited competency assessor for the qualification grade and services Military NC. So before we begin, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the following. Let me present our tester representative, Mr. Ginal Patricio, our assistant manager, Ms. Bella Salino, and lastly, our processing officer, Mr. Luis Milano. So we are here to monitor and observe the proper conduct of the assessment. Please do not feel nervous or because they are not here to assess you, okay? So before we proceed, let me check your attendance first. So once your name is called, kindly raise your hands and present your admission slip, okay? Candidate number 1 is Starling Rosa. Thank you, Ms. Martin. So please check or sign this attendance. Dr. James. So please sign the attendance. The Assessment Center for Medicare Healthcare Services NCT. So the purpose of this competency assessment is to determine your knowledge, skills, and attitude through the question of the evidence. So we have a competencies qualification. So this is perform manicure services. Second, perform pedicure services. 3, apply nail designs. 4th, perform hand spa services and foot spa services. And lastly, maintain tools, equipment, and workplace safety. So for your practical assessment, you are required to perform manicure, pedicure, and simple nail application within 2 hours. Okay? So the will be used first is written examination. So during our presentation, we will go have a written examination. Second is demonstration with actual performance. So you can observe this competency po. Naman tayo ng demonstration para po ma-boost or nakuha po natin yung required competency sa services. And last, oral accepted questioning. So after pagkandak tayo na demonstration, after our determine kung anong saan ang itunan nyo sa aming competency. Okay? Do you have any questions, clarification, or viral interactions? So, alright. So, before we begin, please switch your cell phones on a silent mode para po kung tayo magkagulo-gulo or distract during our session that we need. Okay? So, for your written examination, you will be given an hour, 1 hour actually, to answer the test paper. So, I will be provided with questions regarding our competency and you will answer it within the hour. So, you may start. Are you ready, candidates? Okay. Thank you, everyone. Okay, let me give you our test question. tools and materials properly. Congratulations, candidates. So, since natapos po na natin yung written examination kanina and also yung performance or actual demonstration po natin, we will now proceed for the oral questioning. So, let me call on Ms. Marilyn Robusa for the first candidate to answer my questions. Please proceed on my table. Ms. Robusa, so how are you feeling today? So that's normal actually. So we are here to conduct my oral questioning. I'll prepare the questions, then we will answer it. So based lang naman po ito sa ginawa natin kanina, okay? So here's your questions. So as a candidate, why is it important to have a proper sanitation in beauty and healthcare services?
For our tools to ensure that our tools is clean and also to prevent the bacteria that na pwede pong lumako sa mga tools natin, na pwede ma-infect yung mga live.
Very good, that very well said, Ms. Rabusa. So, thank you. You may now take your seat on the chair. Here. So, next candidate, let me call on Mr. Munda Alvin. Let's proceed here. Chair. So, hello, Mr. Munda, right? So, ano ba ang experience o how do you feel right now? Feel nervous ba? Or okay. So, since kanina po nasabi ko sa inyo na nakakatanggap na rin ng written examination, also yung practical or demonstration po natin, we will now proceed to the oral questioning. So, I have a question for you. Just give an insight or self-explanation lang naman po. So, based lang naman po ito sa experience ko. So, my questions goes like this. So, during the presentation or demonstration rather, what are the challenges that you experience with the client?
Napakaling po yung kasi yung services napakalapit ng client para meron yung ano mga buwan
So, yes, thank you very much, Mr. Mondo. So, I think it's normal na maka-express kayo ng malikot na client and also mga bad customer. But as a candidate or future competent, I highly recommend you all na masanay kayo sa mga gagawin in the future. So that, kung kaano or ma-perfect mo yung mga qualification or competency na dapat makuha mo in the future. Okay, thank you very much. You may now sit down. So at this moment for everybody or candidates, I will now presenting or release the results of your performance. Okay? To Miss Marilyn Rabusa. So based on the evidence gathered during the assessment, I observed that you were able to demonstrate the required skills and knowledge in beauty care and healthcare services and CIGO. So let me call Miss Marilyn Rabusa. Congratulations, Miss Rabusa. You are competent. Okay, here's your results. Miranda, you passed the written examinations and performed very well in some areas of the practical demonstration. However, there are still competencies that need improvement. So your result is, I'm very sorry, but you are not yet competent. Here's the result. with our candidates. Let me go on Marilyn Rosa, candidate number 1. Candidate number 2, Mr. Munda Albert James. Our assistant manager, Miss Kayla Sandrino. And our CASDA representative, Mr. Ginal Patricio. And our processing officer, Mr. Luis Milano. Our videographer, Miss Raven Mata. And lastly, our video editor, Mr. Abraham Rafael. So, that's it. Thank you and